In a developing story, changes have come to who gets the investigation report of a State Department, facility, institution, or commission. But tonight, the Prosecuting Attorneys Association of Michigan says they have concerns. They released this today because they feel Michigan State Police isn't listening to them. And they say they haven't been given a clear answer as to why this switch was made. Prosecutors fear this idea of a State Department overseeing an alleged wrongdoing of another State Department lacks transparency. This statement released today by the Prosecuting Attorneys Association of Michigan says this new policy breaks from what has been done in Michigan for years. It now requires all investigations into state employees to go directly to Attorney General Dana Nessel. It's something the association's president, J.D. Brooks, is concerned about.
We've been reviewing cases like this since I've been in the business over 3 decades.
Brooks is also Midland County's prosecuting attorney. He says he prosecuted a case a couple of years ago regarding a Department of Health and Human Services member.
As a family caseworker who we believed had abused his position of authority over the mother of a family he was working with and coerced her into an intimate relationship.
In the letter, the association says this change lacks transparency.
They want to know that an independent agency is taking a good, serious, hard look at things, that it's going to somebody that they count on.
Brooks tells me they were never told by MSP why this change was being made. I asked the director of communications for State Police why. I was sent a statement saying in part, quote, our written directive regarding criminal investigations involving state agencies or employees provides direction to our members on the submission of complaints and investigations involving department members and non-member state employees. This directive has been in place for at least 20 years and was updated in the fall of 2024.
We tried to talk to the command. We didn't come away with any satisfactory explanation about what was being done and why it was being done now.
When there's a shooting involving a state police trooper, instead of the jurisdiction's prosecuting attorney reviewing the reports, now the AG's office will do that.
One of our primary concerns has always been is not having a police agency or any agency police itself.
MSP says this change has to do with consistency across the states. They say they met with the Prosecuting Attorneys Association last fall to talk about the change and the reasons behind it. However, Brooks says they've not been told why this has changed. He hopes this letter will encourage MSP to have a further conversation with prosecutors across the states.